ezyZip.
How to convert RAR files in Windows. First, download and install ezyZip Archive Converter. Simple, easy, and fast. Link is in the description. Launch the Archive Converter. Click the Select Archive File button to open the file chooser and pick the RAR file you wish to convert. You can select the target file type from the selection menu. ezyZip offers a wide range of file type to choose from. After choosing your desired file type, click the blue Convert button and let ezyZip do its magic. Once the conversion is complete, click on the Save button to save the converted file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.